Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have a delicious recipe for you. Aloo paratha, an Indian bread stuffed with a flavorful potato filling. To make this mouth-watering dish, you will need the following ingredients: 2 cups of whole wheat flour, 3 to 4 medium-sized potatoes, 1 to 2 green chilies, finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste, ghee or oil for cooking. Let's get started. First, let's prepare the dough. In a mixing bowl, add the whole wheat flour and a pinch of salt. Gradually add water and knead it into a soft dough. Cover it and let it rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. While the dough is resting, let's prepare the potato filling. Boil the potatoes until they are cooked through. Once they are cool enough to handle, peel and mash them. In a separate pan, heat some oil or ghee. Add cumin seeds and let them splutter. Then add the grated ginger and chopped green chilies. Sauté for a minute. Next, add the mashed potatoes to the pan. Add red chili powder, turmeric powder, and salt. Mix everything well and cook for a few minutes until the flavors are well combined. Remove it from the heat and let it cool. Now let's move on to making the parathas. Take a small portion of the dough and roll it into a small circle. Place a spoonful of the potato filling in the center and bring the edges together to seal it. Flatten it gently and roll it into a round paratha. Heat a tawa or a griddle and place the paratha on it. Cook it on medium heat until it turns golden brown on both sides. Apply ghee or oil on both sides while cooking to make it crispy and flavorful. Repeat the process with the remaining dough and filling to make more parathas. Serve these hot and delicious aloo parathas with yogurt, pickle, or any chutney of your choice. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel at braininputs for more amazing recipes like this. Also, like, share, comment, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.